Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Choose a firm, medium cabbage of about 900 g. Remove damaged leaves and core. Cut into quarters and shred finely with a knife or mandolin for even texture. Weigh the shredded cabbage and add salt at 2% of the cabbage weight, about 20 g per 1,000 g. Massage the cabbage vigorously for about 10 minutes until cellular juice appears and the mixture becomes limp and glossy. That released brine is what will ferment the cabbage and preserve crispness without added water. Use a clean wide-mouth jar or fermentation crock. Pack the salted cabbage firmly in layers, pressing down with a tamper or spoon. Leave 1 to 2 inches of headspace at the top to allow gases to expand. Continue pressing until the natural brine rises and fully covers the cabbage. If necessary, add a little filtered water to submerge. Place a fermentation weight, a small clean jar, or a salted cabbage leaf over the surface to keep everything submerged and block air contact during fermentation. Cover the jar with an airlock lid, cloth, or loose lid to let carbon dioxide escape, and keep it at a steady 65-72 degrees F. Start tasting after 7 days and continue daily until you reach the tang and texture you prefer. Most batches finish between 7 and 14 days. Remove any surface scum with a clean spoon. This does not harm the sauerkraut. When it tastes right, transfer to the refrigerator to slow fermentation. Properly stored, the sauerkraut will keep for months and develop more complex flavors over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.